What's up guys, this is Akash from Maker Boy. So today I'm gonna teach you how you can make your own lavalier microphone. So let's get started. So first you're gonna need a Sennheiser headphones like this. Yeah, that's the Sennheiser headphones. And it should contain a mic. Next, you're gonna need a metal clip or any clip, very tiny clip, and a sponge for covering the mic. And the three. First take your earphones and you can see there is a hole right here. Let me focus. Yeah. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see a hole right here. That's the mic. So you should fold the wire backwards and cover the sponge. And cover the mic with the sponge. This is too long, so I folded it half and I inserted into the foam. The clip holds the mic in. After this, open background camera and go to video and go to settings, and you can see audio source, change it to mic. And that's all, you are ready to go. What's up guys? So the mic is not connected, so the voice is not clear. Now I will connect the mic. So now the mic is connected. I think the sound quality is good. You be the judge and tell it in the comments. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get my notifications. Click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.